Welcome to our tutorial on changing a dial. Today we'll be replacing this faulty dial with one that has the correct markings.
Firstly, we won't need to remove the bracelet for this procedure. We'll simply take out the screw for the links adjustment.
Now let's remove the back casing of the watch. You'll require specific tools such as the one demonstrated here to safely remove the case back. Using tweezers, carefully unscrew the crown and pry the movement out of the case.
Use a spare stock crown to assist in removing the handset.
Ensure stability by placing the movement in a secure holder.
A crucial reminder: always wear gloves to prevent scratching the dial during this process.
Align all the hands, hour, minute, and seconds to the same position before removing them. It doesn't really matter what time they are positioned at, as long as they are all aligned for uninstallation.
A separate video on the Watch and Style channel details this step further. Utilize a clear, clean plastic and a hands remover tool to safely detach and secure the handset.
Then use a precision screwdriver to pry up the dial from the movement. Inspect the replacement dial for any excess legs.
If present, trim them using pliers or cutters to ensure a proper fit.
Depending on the replacement dial, there are those that do not need leg trimming as they already fit the movement. Verify that the dial sits flat in the movement. Any bulging could affect its fit back into the case. Now position the hands to 12 o'clock by adjusting the date.
Once the date advances to the next day, use a hands press installer tool to fix the handset in place. Check that the hour hand doesn't touch any embossed indices before installing the minute hand. Test and adjust to ensure both hands are clear of the indices before adding the second hand. Before reinstalling the movement into the case, thoroughly clean the case and glass. Carefully reinsert the movement, ensuring the stem aligns properly with the case and crown. Lubricate the case cover gasket to prevent cracking and maintain a proper seal. Finally, tighten the case back and link screw securely. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the dial.